are now getting ready to drywall this side of the bonus room. And if you remember, I had my door and a couple of panels over there. We actually moved those into the closet space over there and some stuff in the hallway. And you can see we are continuing to clear out this bonus room in preparation for applying the joint compound once we get all the drywall up. And then I took those 2 panel boards that I had behind the door and I actually put them in here. The reason why I did that is I don't want the insulation to get damaged each time we bring stuff in and out of the storage area. You know, this coating, this craft paper can get punctured, and I just really don't want that happening. And these were cheap enough, so I might just completely finish off that storage area. One of the things that can happen when it gets damaged, if you look at the drywall, or excuse me, the insulation right there, it's got a little puncture hole in it. Not a big deal, but when you're moving stuff around like drywall or the doors, lumber, it'll hit the insulation and puncture the craft paper in it, and just want to try to avoid that. And obviously the storage unit is going to be used a lot, so I want to try to protect that by putting these little panel boards up. So we'll see. That can be a later project. But anyways, we are continuing on. I'm going to get back in the corner to give you a full view of this room as it's clearing out. Looking very good. And I think I have enough drywall to finish the walls and the rest of the closet in there. So we'll see when we get to the end there, but give you an update soon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have reached a major milestone in this project. Check it out. We have completed all of the drywall in the bonus room. It is completely done and had just enough drywall to complete it. Moved all the scrap pieces out there, but you can see all of the drywall is in place and ready to be sewn up with some joint compound and tape. We even finished the inside of the closet. It's a little hard to see, but let's go in here and check it out. All of the drywall is up. Got lots of Frankenstein pieces up here, but like I said, you're never gonna see that very rarely because it's a closet. And we've also done a pretty good job cleaning up and clearing out this bonus room to get ready for joint compound. Now we got to start taking down stairs the tools and equipment that I use to put up the drywall and all the construction pieces to finish this room out. But this is a huge accomplishment to this point, and I'm pretty happy the way it turned out. So we are going to call number 27 here a wrap and start planning, preparing, and implementing joint compound and all the seams and screw holes. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, until next time, peace out.